So, so either you take a shortcut or you take a long cut, you get to the same destination. Like you take the shortcut or you take a super fast long cut, you're getting to the same destination, right? So what differentiates, like, what's the difference between the shortcut and the long cut, right? The difference is what, is the time in which it takes to get there. Is the time in which it takes to get there. If you take the long cut, it's long, but you will get there. If you take the shortcut, it's probably short, but there's always a price to pay. you know if you take the shortcut, you might have to pay more than someone that take the long cut. And if you take the long cut, you still have to pay because of what, it takes a whole lot of time. So I'm going to give you an example for this, phenomenon, or whatever it is. And we're going to use numbers, right? Because we can use numbers to explain a lot of things. So we're going to start with what, uh let's say, for instance, number 11, right? So number 11, right? uh Plus what, 11. So if you add 11 plus 11 together, because 111 stands for shortcut, right? The other 11 stands for what, long cut. So if you add 11 plus 11 together, what do you get? You get 22, right? You get 22. So because we are looking for a destination, so there have to be a denominator. So when you get 22, right, so you add 2 plus 2, you get 4. So that's the denominator, is the destination. So we said 11 plus 11, right? So our denominator is what? Is 4, right? So 11 plus 11, right? So now come back here. 11 plus 11 is the shortcut. 11 plus 11 is the shortcut. Now let's take the long cut. That's the shortcut number. So now let's take the long cut number. The long cut number is not 11 plus 11. The long cut number is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that's 11 plus 11, but it's not 11 plus 11, but it's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what do you get if you add those together? What's your denominator? You get 4. The same what? Destination. So either you take the shortcut or you take the long cut, you get to the same what? Destination. You can try this with other numbers and you will see you come to the same denominator. You can try it with other numbers. Go ahead and do it. It will be fun.